Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to your crypto.com. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this deposit option at the middle of your screen. Then from this pop-up window, you have to select fiat and then you have to select your preferred currency that you want to use. If your preferred currency is not listed here, you can click on this setup new currency and then set up your new fiat currency. After that, you just have to click on it and then it will show you the options that you can use to deposit money in your crypto.com. So just select the option that you want to use. In our case, we are transferring money for Wells Fargo, so we have to select this instant deposit or bank transfer option. Then it will show you this screen. Simply click on this link bank account and then it's going to open up this screen where you have to click on continue, and then from this list of banks you have to select Wells Fargo. Then you need to click on continue and then it's going to open up your Wells Fargo website in your browser where you have to enter your login details such as your username and password. And once you log in your account, it will be automatically linked to your crypto.com app. Then simply click on continue and then you can go back and then try to enter the amount how much you want to transfer. And once you do that, you just have to select the Wells Fargo bank as your payment method, and once you do that, your money will be transferred from your Wells Fargo bank to your crypto.com app.